crumble, fester, molder, ripen, seethe, putress, go bad. This language has a lot of words for rot. But is this due to appreciation or squeamishness? Words give voice to disgust, but disgust is slippery. Something that makes us feel queasy may not be dangerous, though thinking about it can get us a bit overwrought. When rot creeps into our homes, it tends to spoil our fun. In a forgotten corner of the refrigerator, microbes once dormant begin to leap into action. But don't turn away in disgust. Come a little closer and see the universe that unfolds in these forsaken places. Here, colonies of bacteria drift like icebergs and grow like snowflakes around seeds of dust. Spores, adrift and desolate, finally reach their promised land. Tender cell walls collapse, releasing roiling torrents of water and sugars. Which then dry into shifting vistas for swarming microscopic life. Yeasts belch carbon dioxide into the swirling, cloudy atmosphere. Toothless molds gum their way through hard-shelled seeds, melting their potential into slimy mush. Watching this unfold, I am surprised as my revulsion is replaced by reverence. But when mold colonizes contested landscapes, staking its claim on nutrients I had saved for myself, I declare that things are going bad. And I might reach for the bleach, keeping rot at bay with antiseptic incantations for a while. But would rot, if called by any other name, still reek? Fermentation is spoiling's cultured twin. The hopeful treaty between human and microbe that says, eat this cucumber now, so I may eat it later. Preservation through transformation. This treaty has allowed many kinds of bodies, like yeast, wheat, and our own, to rise and spill across the earth in delicious collaborations. A taste for milk, shared by humans and bacteria, led to yogurt and cheese. Some domesticated molds knit beans into nutritious tempeh. Others render barley and rice the fragrant catalyst for miso. Up close, the transformative power of these fungi appears more choreography than chemistry. Bubbles rise and roil, a sure sign of the invisible spirits who influence our minds. But before I get too rosy-cheeked, let me recall. It was we who declared culture in the rising of bubbles, and it is we who draw lines between culture and rot. So what is fermented or rotten is a matter of thought. Here on the counter, a jar is pregnant with life, reminding us that no birth comes without labor. And that along with the bubbles come the toils and the troubles. while fermentation leavens and spoilage threatens, compost reincarnates, forming biological static between the frequencies of animal and vegetable, ready to be tuned into new life. Wriggling creatures form disassembly lines for humanity's leftovers. Worms traffic nutrients on slippery, writhing freeways. They follow bacteria's passage into the interior of a fruit, where crisp flesh melts into flux. A seasonal tempo emerges, composting and composing. Fallen leaves are stripped down to reveal secret skeletons. And their vivid rainbow pigments fade into the black richness of the forest floor. But compost soils more than just fruits and foliage. It claims creatures with blood, creatures with senses, creatures with mothers. And they too, the swarming multitudes, will invade. Devour. And rip apart. In the compost heap, I am fine with such violent disarray. But come my time to dissolve, I am far less brave. Habituated to this one body, anything else suggests oblivion. But the compost heap dreams of another option: to be wrought. That is, transformed. But is this transformation a caress, or is it violence? Metamorphosis or ruin? The answer depends on where within rot's vast network we stand. At times, rot is a feast, a multi-species melee of gorging, digesting, and excreting. Devoured by beetles, rotting flesh wriggles to life once more in a putrid Eucharist of feather, scale, and bone. Rot even offers a place for moments of rest and togetherness. In a world obsessed with growth, we overlook these tender possibilities of decay. That soft and loving surface that will catch us when we fall. Disassemble us. And let us return together in new and vibrant flesh. But for now, this flesh is perishable. With each breath, we make a choice. What do we preserve? And what do we leave to rot? Some things are hard to swallow, but when digested, allow for infinite becoming. As it is, we only have a taste. And once swallowed, we too are not dead. We are rot.